Meaning of etc.
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 etc. Etc. is an abbreviation commonly used in English to represent the phrase etc., which means and so on or in other things. It is often used at the end of a list to indicate that there are additional items beyond those that have been mentioned. For example, if someone mentions apples, bananas, oranges, etc., they mean to say that there are other fruits that could be added to the list, but they are not mentioning them specifically. Etc. is a convenient way to avoid listing out everything in detail and still convey the intended meaning.